Hello everybody, today we are going to be making quinoa and pasta salad. This is specifically very good for before and after you work out because one is rich in carbohydrates, so you get a lot of energy, and it's very light, and the other is very rich in protein and amino acids that are going to help recover and grow your muscles. So, get on the gym grind and make these two recipes. Or you just make them in general. These are very easy to meal plan, meaning that you can make them, keep them in containers, and they're ready to go for you if you want to just get those nutrients in and go. So you should try it out. And first you're going to start off with just chopping up 2 red onions into small pieces. And next we're going to move on to chopping up 3 different colors of bell pepper. We will be doing red, orange, and yellow. Now I have a question for you guys, because I don't know if it's just like placebo effect where I've convinced myself that all of them taste different, but do all of the colors of pepper taste different? Is that a thing? Because I think they do personally. But you should let us know what you think about that. But yes, go ahead and chop up all of those different colors of pepper, and it should be ready to go. Actually, my mom packed both of these recipes for me when I'm in college, so it's very nice because it stays a long time, and it's really very convenient. I think these 2 dishes are just very convenient and easy to make, and I think even I could make this pretty quickly with the resources I have. It's not that difficult. And yeah, now you're gonna chop up the yellow pepper. And for those of you that thought that the orange pepper was the yellow pepper, unfortunately you were wrong, because this is in fact the yellow pepper. And then once that's done, you're also gonna add some corn. I know corn seems kind of random, but I think it really pulls things together. I think corn is a very good mediator type of vegetable. I've mentioned this in a previous video, but when my mom makes pizza, she puts corn on her pizza, and people find that kind of weird, but I truly think that corn is the pineapple of pizza and the pineapple of the world, honestly, because it works in everything. But anyways, you're going to want to prepare your pasta as well on the side. My mom didn't show it, but obviously you're going to have put your dry pasta in boiling hot water until it became cooked and soft, and you also strained it. And then we moved on to this step, of course, where we're putting all of the vegetables in. And just do this slowly so that you're not overflowing or making a mess. As small of a mess as you can make is preferably where we want to be at this point in the video. But yeah. And then the key ingredient for this salad is going to be mayonnaise. We use actually avocado-based mayonnaise because it's a little bit healthier than the traditional just fat mayonnaise. So you should give it a shot. And honestly, I think it tastes the complete same. And I'm not a big mayonnaise fan to begin with. And next we're going to move on to the quinoa salad. Quinoa is such an interesting little thing. I think it's really cute. It gives me the same vibes as chia seeds, in the sense that I guess it expands. And the reason why we soak it in water is, of course, to expand it, number 1. But number 2 is that right now it has a very soapy flavor, which is kind of interesting to think about. But we can't eat it the word in Arabic is mur, so we need to cook it a little bit to get rid of that. And you're going to add the spices and mix it on up. And now we're going to let it sit in the pot until it starts boiling. And at this point, you're going to want to lower your stove to the lowest possible setting. We have the X-Low one, which kind of just is so low then it randomly turns on and off, And you can get an extension for this online. that allows you to go to an even lower setting on your own stove. But it should look like this, and you should be able to scoop it right on up of the bottom of the pot when it's cooked. So now, like, it actually has substance to it. It's not just, you know, heavy little seeds any longer. It will be nice and fluffy and very good. I feel like quinoa is also the same type of thing as matcha and sushi. Like, it's either hit or a miss with if you love it or not. So let us know in the comments below if you guys love quinoa or not. But then you're gonna just finish off with some olive oil and optionally some feta cheese. I personally don't like feta cheese, but I know that it really brings some salads together for some people. So you should go for that if you choose to do so. And then obviously some salt. And that's about it. We hope you guys enjoy making pasta and quinoa and that you hit the gym after watching this video. Happy salading! Bye!